Alright, so hello everyone again, and today I'm gonna show you cool Sbego bike review. So this bike have got front brakes, rear brakes, and you can move. Yeah. Nice pedals. If you spin it, real wheel spins too. If you spin it to the backside, the wheel spins back like that. So, and here you can see spinnable seat. This bike hasn't got pegs, no one peg, but you can ride using this part, this part, this part, and this part, like that. Yeah, this bike's really cool. Yeah. This part is metal, plastic, 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 plastic. All parts is plastic except this part is metal. Alright, and when you buy this bike, you also have extra nice wheels, 2 wheels, yeah, second wheel. That's cool. And this part, you can put bike in this part using the disc box bike place, and put it. Wait a second, and it stays. Yeah. So, if then you buy this bike, you also have this part. This part is neat. Then you won't easily control your bike, so but this part here and this part here, I don't recommend it to use it because my friend also have this bike, and one time put this part into a wheel. He wants to remove it, and wheel broke in this place. So I don't recommend it to use it. And this part, you can remove your wheel. This part, you can hold it like that. Hold it, and with other, spin the wheel. It's better with 2 tech deck tools, but if you don't have it, you can use this one. Yeah. And thanks for watching. And please, but good comment. Thank you very much.